Good morning viewers and my dear students. Today in this video I am going to explain you about the introduction to accounting. This video is useful to the CEC and MSc first year students and as well as CA foundation, those who are taking the coaching for the CPT, also useful to them very well. In this video, the accounting part, actually for in case of the intermediate level, there will be commerce subject in CEC for MSc students. The commerce is divided into two parts. The 50 marks of the theory part contain, that is called commerce, and the remaining 50 marks contain for the accounting, that is 50 marks. The accounting is totally related to problematic and practical problems will be there. So very careful to listen these classes, because of now in this first video or in the by the second video the problems will not be going to be started. After listening the 3-4 videos and 3-4 classes, you have to understand the topic very well, because of this is the alphabet for you. In your school education there will be no accounting part, there will be no commerce part. Just you have discussed in the economics part about the slight discussion about the business and accountancy and commerce. But while you enter into the intermediate first year level, there will be deep explanation about the accounting part. So now we enter into the introduction to accounting part here. So accounting is purely related to the business. यानी ये मैं आपको कभी कभी हिंदी में भी समझाता हूँ, ये अकाउंटिंग पार्ट जो भी है बिजनेस को ताल्लुक है. बिजनेसमैन क्या करता, बिजनेस में अमाउंट इन्वेस्टमेंट करता यानी उन्हें पैसे लगाता, मीन्स ही इन्वेस्ट मनी इन द बिजनेस. देन after 1 year rolled or after some period completed, he wants to know the profit or he wants to know the loss, whether I get profit or whether I get loss. To know everything, the accountancy is connected. To get the maximum, every businessman work hard for the getting profit and more maximization of profit. For that purpose, here the accounting part is related for the businessman purpose or for the business purpose. So now, before going into the accounting part, now we very clearly discuss here the history of accounting. यानी कौन है असल एक्चुअल ये अकाउंटिंग पार्ट कब से शुरू हुआ, असल कौन बनाया उसको, अबाउट दैट वी डिस्कस नाउ हियर. History of, suppose we go for history of accounting. History of accounting is as old as the human civilization. यानी हिस्ट्री ऑफ अकाउंटिंग इतनी पुरानी है कि ह्यूमन सिविलाइजेशन जब से शुरू हुआ तब से अकाउंटिंग का हिस्ट्री है. So here go for the accounting history. Suppose we know that the father of accounting is called Luca Pacioli. The name is Luca Pacioli. He invented the accounting part. He was an Italian mathematician. He wrote a book called Double Entry System. In the double entry system, he mentioned about the accounting. The businessman do the business and invest money in the business and wants to know the profit and how to get the profit, how to know the profit and how to get financial position. Everything he written in a book that is called double entry system. In that double entry system, what is journal, what is ledger and what is debit and what is credit, all these things were discussed in the, so he is called the father of accounting. Later, after 14th century, the accounting was very developed. Come to India, the father of accounting is called S.M. Iyer. He developed the accounting and whatever he made a clarification about the traditional accounting system and the modern accounting system. And nowadays, in this 21st century, the accounting was very developed, rapidly developed here. So it is called the history of accounting. Before of Luca Pacioli also there was an accounting. In the, just if we go for the before Christ of 7500 BC in Mesopotamia, the accounting part and the commerce part was used. And they made some clay. With the clay, they measured the quantities to purchase the goods or sell the goods, they made a counter, and we can say here the city of commerce is Babylonia. Babylonia is called the city of commerce. So this is the overall history of accounting. Now we go for here into introduction to accounting. Here bookkeeping. The first part, every student has to know the meaning of bookkeeping. Before of bookkeeping, we can go to the some other topic that is called human activities. Here we know the activities. The activities are what here in every day, every human being do some task, he performs something, that is called activities. The human activities are divided into two types. One is economic activities, second one is non-economic activities. The economic activity means here any task, any performance he has done that is directly or indirectly related to money or money's worth. It is called economic activity. This economic activity is purely related to the business. And go for non-economic activity. The non-economic activities are not directly or indirectly not related to money. And these non-economic activities cannot take part in the business, cannot take part in the accounting. So whatever the economic activities which are done by the businessman in his daily business life called transactions. Transactions is a accounting language. We can say that the same transactions are called economic activities. The transactions which are done by the businessman, transfer of goods or purchasing the goods and selling the commodities and paying the rent, these are called transactions. Every business contains only the 6 types of transactions. Every business, you may observe the business which is very small and you may observe the business which is very gained size or big size. कौन सा भी बिजनेस को आप ले लिए तो कौन सा भी बिजनेस को आप अगर देखें तो हर बिजनेस में 6 तरीके के ट्रांजैक्शंस रहते हैं. ट्रांजैक्शंस का मतलब क्या है बोले तो लेन देने की काम. बिजनेसमैन whatever he is doing, whatever he is receiving, whatever he is giving to the others and receiving from others is called transactions. Like a transfer of exchange of goods and services comes under the transactions here. So those transactions of the business are divided into 6 categories. One is asset. Asset means here properties. Every business must certain have assets. And every business, second one is liabilities. Every business must certain have liabilities. And third one is expenditure. And fourth one is profit. And fifth one is income. And sixth one is losses. These are called 6 types of transactions. These 6 types of transactions contain for every business. And these transactions are called economic activities. Now come to the part of, first part is bookkeeping. What is meant by bookkeeping here? We discuss very clearly here. Recording transactions in a systematic manner is called bookkeeping. And here the first primary step of the every businessman has to, before of knowing the profit, before of knowing the financial position, he has to record the transactions. Recording transactions in a systematic manner is called bookkeeping. Means here the name it implies here, bookkeeping. While businessmen do numerous transactions. Businessmen do numerous transactions. कितना टाइम हुआ? 9 minutes. ऑफ कर दो.